Unlock seamless international money transfers by discovering how to master your prepaid debit card on Remitly. First things first, you'll need to either log into your existing Remitly account or create a new one if you're new to the platform. Think of this as your gateway to stress-free remittances. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings, look for the section dedicated to payment methods or linked cards. Within the payment methods section, select the option to add a new card. This is where your prepaid debit card enters the scene. Carefully enter your prepaid debit card number, its expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back. Double-check these details to avoid any errors. Remitly requires accurate information for successful transactions. Depending on Remitly's security protocols and the type of prepaid card, you might be asked for additional verification. This could include providing the billing address or zip code associated with your prepaid card. Ensure these match what your card issuer has on file. Success. Once your card details are verified, you'll see a confirmation message indicating your prepaid debit card is now successfully linked to your Remitly account. Now, when you're ready to send money, proceed through the Remitly transfer process. When you reach the payment step, you'll clearly see your linked prepaid debit card as an option. Select your prepaid debit card as your payment method and complete your transfer. Your funds will be sent, and your prepaid card will be charged. A few key things to remember: always ensure your prepaid card has sufficient funds for your transfer. Also, be aware of any spending limits or potential fees associated with your specific prepaid card, as these can vary. While Remitly aims for broad compatibility, some very specific or restricted prepaid cards might have limitations. By following these steps, you can confidently use your prepaid debit card on Remitly, making your international money transfers easier than ever before.